am going to make a room divider for our dolls using wood coffee stirrers, white computer paper, paint, and glue. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. I picked out this room divider online at IKEA.com. I think it'll look nice in our dollhouse. I start by cutting white paper into 3.5-inch strips. Take coffee stirrers, cut off the ends. I take black acrylic paint and paint each one. Allow them to dry, then begin gluing them around the edge of the paper. With the first one about 1/2 inch from the bottom. Continue up the side, trim where needed, continue around the top, down the other side, then across the bottom. To make a frame, cut and glue a coffee stir right across the center, go up 3 inches from the line and 3 inches below the line, glue on a coffee stir, then add a few going up and down. To make a clean design, turn it over, glue on more around the frame, making sure to offset the seams on the other side. I have a seam here and a seam here. By gluing a long coffee stir on the back, it'll make the side stronger. Continue all the way around to make a panel for our room divider. Now we just have to repeat 2 more times. If you want to repeat the pattern on the back, just hold it up to the light to see through the paper so you can get the correct placement. Carefully touch up the paint where needed. Once it dries, let's glue them together. Glue 2 together at the corners, making a wide angle. Just enough so it can stand. Add the third panel going the other direction, so from the top it looks like a zigzag, to create a room divider for the dollhouse, allowing you to break up the space in a large doll room, or give your dolls a little privacy when they need to get changed. Like into these fashion packs we bought at thefreshdolls.com with a suggested retail price of $9.99. Woohoo! Now I get to try out on my screen. Excuse me, I need a little privacy. We can just place those right over here. Fancy! And I have gold shoes. What about this sweater and skirt? It's all one piece and totally matches my eyeshadow. This coat feels like a warm hug from a teddy bear. At Walmart, I found a few more Barbie fashion packs for about $5 each. This bathing suit is awesome! No Velcro in the back, and it comes with a pair of pink shorts. I totally look like a lifeguard. Look out for rhythmic Froggy, people! I can totally win the Olympics in this outfit. Watch! My back! Now this is more like it. A dress with a printed-on apron, a paint palette, and a paintbrush. So I can get crafty. Although I wouldn't mind if this was pants. Just saying. This works. Thank you for joining us while we made a room divider or privacy screen and tested it out with a little fashion. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
We want to give a shout out to Puppy Cake 100. What's up? A room divider. I could use this to divide Chloe's room in half so I could move in.